Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I'm in the dining room at the moment, but that's going to be changing soon because today is Monday, October 21st, and it is the first day of the Fly Ladies Cruising Through the Holidays missions. So hopefully you saw my intro video. We're going to be doing little things each day from now until Thanksgiving so that we can enjoy the holidays and we have all the stuff taken care of ahead of time. And after, basically once Thanksgiving hits, we're just enjoying life, which doesn't that sound great? We're stress-free and we're just doing what we need to do to keep things turning over, but we have all that extra holiday stuff done. So the first mission today is to run around the house when you're doing your weekly home blessing or just in 5 or 6 minutes, and we're gonna grab up all of the trash we can find. So I have a little bag here. It was actually time to empty trash today so that it can get picked up tomorrow. So I'm gonna run around the house and just anywhere there's a trash can, empty it into my bag, and anything I see that I can pick up as trash, put that in there too. So I have my timer set. It's gonna be 7 minutes, so let's get that started and I will check back in with you in just a few minutes and see how we did. Okay, I'm back. I don't know if you can see that, about 2.5 minutes left, and I had set my timer for 7 minutes, so that means it basically took me about 5 minutes, and I've got a nice bag full of trash and found a few little things tucked away that could just be gotten rid of. So I feel good that I've accomplished my first mission for the cruising through the holidays, and we're off to a good start. So hopefully that was some good motivation for you to just jump in there and get started on a few things, and we'll see you again tomorrow for the next cruising through the holidays mission. Don't forget to give me a like and a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.